Hey party people, welcome to today's video where I will be showing you how to download and assemble a PDF pattern. It's easy to do, just a few steps. So if you're ready, I'm ready. All right, so let's get into it. For the tools, you're going to need some tape. I suggest clear scotch tape, some kind of a ruler. I use both clear and metal, scissors, X-Acto knife, and of course, a downloaded pattern. Directions. A great resource for accessory patterns is Etsy. Type into the search bar PDF leather pattern. Then pick out whatever you want and download it to your desktop. The first thing that I do before I print all of the pages is that I look for the page that has the test square on it. Now, not every pattern has that, but most of them do. So you want to check for that, or at least print the first page and verify that the measurements are accurate. It should have some type of measurements on it. If your 1x1 square is good, then proceed. If it's off for any reason, make sure you check the print settings. Next, put all the pages in numerical order. Don't cut. We're going to do that later. Then, take the first two pages, lay them side by side, and tape them together. Flip them over and tape the back. Then tape the next two pages, and so on and so forth. Then after that, you want to tape and assemble the whole entire pattern into one big piece. There might be some blank space in the middle of the sheets. This is normal. Most printers do not print all the way to the edge, so just do your best to match everything up. The most important part is to make sure that the outside edges line up. Then, once you've got it all taped together, cut it out. Cut it out. Cut along the outside black lines. Use a ruler and X-Acto knife. X-Acto knife beats scissors for precision. If a reference key is provided, make sure you double check that so you have all of your pieces. Make sure that you look over the pattern and become familiar with it, as each piece should be marked and have at least some basic information on it. Name of the piece, front or back, how many you cut, and notches. As a force of habit, I make a reference sample first out of scrap material so that I become familiar and comfortable with the pattern. That way you have a better sense of how it's going to turn out. Once you're good and your pattern's good, it's all good. And there you go. Showtime. Okay, party people, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.